Wet wipes in the washing machine drum. A surprisingly simple, affordable, and effective way to deal with one of the most common household problems: pet hair and lint on clothes. Today, there are countless life hacks designed to improve the quality of laundry. Some people use aluminum foil balls to eliminate static electricity, while others add aspirin tablets to maintain the brightness of white fabrics. But there is another method that is much simpler, more accessible, and already available in almost every home. This method involves using an ordinary wet wipe during the washing process. At first glance, it may sound unusual. However, in practice, it works remarkably well, not only helping to clean clothes, but also protecting your washing machine from unnecessary wear. Anyone who has pets knows how persistent hair can be. Even after careful cleaning, vacuuming, and using lint rollers, fine hair fibers still remain on fabrics. And when these clothes go into the washing machine, the situation often becomes worse. Instead of disappearing, the hair gathers into small clumps, sticks deep into fabric folds, and spreads across other items in the drum. After washing, you may notice that clothes still need additional cleaning, which takes extra time and effort. But the problem goes beyond just appearance. Hair and lint gradually accumulate inside the washing machine, especially in the drain filter. Over time, this can lead to blockages, reduced efficiency, and even damage to the drain pump. Repairs in such cases can be expensive and inconvenient. Of course, there are specialized solutions available. Some washing machines include pet hair removal programs, and there are also specialty laundry balls and lint-catching devices. However, these options often require additional costs. A regular wet wipe offers a much simpler alternative. During the washing cycle, it acts like a soft filter, moving freely inside the drum and collecting hair, lint, and small debris from your clothes. Thanks to its structure, particles stick to the wipe instead of remaining on fabric or circulating inside the machine. To achieve the best result, it's important to follow a few simple rules. Use non-woven wipes that are strong and flexible. Choose thicker wipes. Very thin ones may tear during washing. Avoid strong fragrances as they can transfer onto clothes. And use 2 or 3 wipes per wash cycle for optimal effect. Simply place them into the drum with your laundry before starting the machine. After washing, remove and discard the used wipes, along with all the collected debris. Your clothes will come out noticeably cleaner, and your washing machine will stay in better condition. Of course, this method does not replace regular maintenance. It is still important to clean the drain filter and check pockets before washing. But as a simple everyday trick, it works extremely well. If this tip was useful for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps and motivates us to share more practical ideas like this. Try it yourself and see how one small change can make a big difference in your daily routine.